Hey friends, if you wish to download Instagram on your laptop, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Search for Store in the Windows search bar and then open Microsoft Store. Search for the word Instagram here and then go and search for Instagram. Click on Install. Let it install Instagram on your computer. It needs a while to install it. We will wait till then. Once it has installed, you can click on Open. Then you can enter your details here. Okay, now we have logged in. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.